Today we're making a 30-minute meal which includes fish, rice, some veggies. Let us start our 30 minutes of cooking time by soaking the rice for 10 minutes. I'm using basmati rice today, but you can use jasmine rice or any other long grain variety of rice. Just make sure to rinse the rice well before soaking. While the rice is soaking, let's start off with the fish. Wash the fish very well and pat it really dry so the marinade sticks on it. You will notice that as I'm marinating the fish, I am slightly pricking with the ends of the tongs so the marinade seeps in better. If you were to make gashes on the fish, it will simply fall apart while we are frying the fish. Now the rice has been soaking for 10 minutes and it is ready to be cooked. So I'm going to use a rice cooker. While the rice cooker is doing its job, let's get back to cutting the vegetables. Let's refrigerate the pico de gallo for some time so the flavors sink in. Now I'm going to make a veggie coleslaw minus the dressing. I'm just going to have all the veggies ready. Please remember to use this video as a guide and add or subtract ingredients as you like. Since I'm not going to use any vinaigrette on my coleslaw, I'm just going to keep the vegetables like that and it's ready to be served. Meanwhile, let's check upon the rice. It should have been cooked now. Simply fluff the rice. Do not overmix it because all the grains will break and it will be a mush. Finally, it's time to shallow fry the fish. We are going to use very little oil. I'm using a ceramic pan so the fish does not stick to the pan at all. So we need to give it some time to brown on each side. Tilapia or any white fish cooks very fast and it is a thin cut fish. So just give it 3 or 4 minutes on each side. If you're not familiar with frying fish, I can tell you that the fish will firm up and the flesh inside will not be pink anymore but white and opaque. Once the fish is cooked, you are ready to serve the dinner. Since we are going to serve as individual portions, take the bowl in which you are going to serve the food, make a bed of rice and on top of that put the fish and a portion of the refrigerated pico de gallo and coleslaw veggies that you had prepared earlier. I'm going to serve some pickled red onions on the side, as it is really tasty and brings out the flavor of the fish and ties the entire dish together. If you haven't tried pickled red onion, I highly recommend it. I have a video and I'll link it above. Since it's a fish taco bowl, you might want to serve some tacos along with this, but I am not going to do it today. It's just the way you're seeing here. So here is the close-up of the dish for you guys. I hope you'll love it because I really love making such dishes for you. Please let me know what else you would like to see in the comment section below, and please remember this is 30 minutes of cook time because I have used a fast cooking variety of rice and fish. If you were to use a thicker cut of fish, this recipe might not work. Please refer the link below where I have discussed all the issues that you might face while making this recipe. Thank you for watching, and here is some sea view for you to enjoy.